precious, my future, crushing my destiny. Giving me tears.
Listen real good. As long as you still have those waist beads on, avoid me. I repeat, avoid me. Don't.
Babe, take it easy on me now, please. What kind of problem is this? Oh my God. What is all this? This is tearing my relationship apart even worse than the... Hi, baby. Baby, hi. Welcome. Babe, wait now. What?
So you still have those waist beads on?
Baby, it's just waist beads. Come on.
After all I told you.
Calm down. It's nothing fetish. It's just waist beads. It's trendy. It's fashion.
Call it fashion. I call it nonsense evil. Why can't you respect the fact that I do not like waist beads? What's your problem?
Baby, why don't you just see that's something your baby loves?
You value them more than me?
No, of course not. No. Wait now. Baby, wait.
What's your problem?
Baby, what is it now? You're handling me now. That's not nice now. Be a gentleman.
Maureen, who have you become? Who have you become? This is not you. Ogini.
It's still me. It's me, your baby. Baby, this is nothing fetish. I just
know what? It's obvious you're sick in the head.
Me?
Yes, you are very, very sick. Yes. Instead of you to respect me, respect your husband to be and remove those fetish evil waist beads. I don't like them, I don't like them. You are here defending nonsense evil.
Baby, you're sexy.
Now listen,
baby, let me show you.
real
Baby,
good.
Calm down now, baby. Calm down.
With those things on your waist, I don't want to see you around me or my bedroom. Else, in fact, if you love your life, avoid me.
Baby, calm
if you
down.
love your life, avoid me.
Ow! Babe, come out! Ow!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.